Hello and welcome to Sylvan Miss Designs. Okay, so what do you really need to get started with mandala dotting? Honestly, I'm going to suggest only 4 things. First off, you need paint. Don't be afraid to go cheap in the beginning. Apple Barrel is fantastic. About 50 cents a bottle. You can find it anywhere and it's great straight out of the bottle. 2, you're going to need a surface. Start with whatever you like. Try a rock. I've got some terracotta pots or some glass candle holders, but my favorite and my suggestion is going to be this right here. This is a multimedia sketchbook. I got a 65-pound paper and it has been fantastic. You can watch your work grow and progress. You have a fantastic way to keep it all together, and if you make a mistake, it's only paper. The next is going to be tools. Now, do you really need to go for the professional tools? The nail dotting, the acrylic rods? No. However, I bought a set. The tools included as well as several extras for about $7.99 on Amazon. So it's absolutely worth the investment. Go get them. The fourth is going to be a simple cloth. Get a sponge, get a cloth, a little bit of warm water. It's going to save you in the long run on your tools. Every time you're dipping your paint, you just want to make sure that you get your tools wiped off. And that's it. You're done. There's a ton of different things that you could do as extra or optional, like the palette. You don't need a palette. You can drop paint on anything. Stencils. I love stencils to start out with. Help you figure out the spacing of your dots and aligning them properly. But you really don't need these either. Just go to the dollar store and grab a protractor and compass and you're good to go. Don't let anything stop you. And I would love for you to follow me along as well. It's Sylvan Miss Designs. Feel free to take a quick second, drop into that subscribe button at the bottom. Find me out on Twitch, YouTube, and Instagram, all under the same name. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.